Was it penny size reported in Hancock County? Okay, penny size in Hancock County. Not really large enough to cause damage, but it was reported there earlier. Actually, I'm looking at a new hail core about to cross the Hancock County line right now. Yeah. Okay, so and that is interesting. So tornado watch, just in from Chief Meteorologist Kerry Duncan, the tornado watch extended until 5 p.m. We can get a look at that right now and see those areas that are affected by that extension. I would imagine is probably going to be everyone east of 49, and also it is everyone. So all of the WLOX area now under a tornado watch instead of until 2 p.m., now until 5 p.m. So they're thinking this is going to take a little bit longer to get through the area. Now, a lot of people ask, you have a watch, a tornado watch. That doesn't mean that everyone's about to see a tornado. That just means that conditions are favorable for tornadoes to develop in this environment. So when you have a watch, it just indicates there is a risk of a tornado. But it's not until you have that warning, like what Jackson County and George County are under right now, where you see that an event is imminent and occurring and that you have to take action right now. And so that's why we are focused on those areas that are under a warning, even though everyone is under a watch. The warnings currently are for Jackson and George County. And you can see where those are. It's a very busy map here. I guess we'll have to take off these banners here and maybe the lightning as well. But before we take off the lightning, we'll do a very quick query to see where we're sitting on the lightning counter. That won't work because I still have my warnings on. But now we'll do a lightning count to see how much is across the area right now, and that is almost 1,000 strikes of lightning right now. What you got for us, Carrie?
Well, I just saw this come in from NWS in Mobile, just issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Mobile County. Primary threat is wind, but watching circulation closely.
Okay.
So that's past us, but still, we're keeping an eye on everything from our National Weather Service partners in Mobile and in Slidell. We're sandwiched right in between. We'll go ahead and go to Andrew right now on the wall.
Yeah, tracking all that very closely, y'all. We have been seeing some spots of rotation. Thankfully, though, it has not been in South Mississippi. Some of those spots where we've been seeing rotation have actually been really kind of staying offshore. So what are those spots that we're talking about right now? Really, it's been kind of down towards Lake Bourne. We've seen some rotation down there just east of Lake Bourne. That's going to stay southeast of our area. As far as rotation within that system that's over towards Jackson County, a closer look over there showing we're really not seeing much with that at the moment. We're, of course, tracking that all very closely. Here's what we're seeing down into southern Jackson County at the moment. What they're probably trying to watch a little bit closer right there as it makes its way into Mobile County, these little areas right here. Now, that's not showing enough circulation for us to think that there could possibly be a tornado there, but what they're probably watching very closely is the possibility for one of those little areas to tighten up and then form into a tornado. So we'll watch that closely, but right now, once again, no tornado warnings for South Mississippi. What they're dealing with in southern Jackson County, gusty winds, possibly some small penny to marble size hail, and then a lot of lightning with that as well. This is what it looks like over at the Pascagoula River south there on the high rise. You notice very gusty winds, a lot of lightning. That almost seemed like it could have been shaken from the thunder there after the lightning strike. So very messy situation